Hello, in today's video, we're going to learn about the best custodial crypto wallets for safely securing our altcoin assets. Welcome to SilverAltcoin, where we bring you quick facts on the various altcoins in the cryptocurrency and DeFi world to help with understanding their purposes, economic benefits, and trending news. Let's dive in. There are so many cryptocurrency wallets out there, and it could be quite confusing and tedious trying to choose one that is ideal for you. To help our viewers make an informed decision, we are going to discuss some of the best in the market today. Choosing a secure, easy-to-use wallet is the first most important step to owning and growing your crypto assets. A lot of beginner investors tend to keep their crypto in the exchange they bought it from. We have been guilty of that as well. However, in doing so, we are giving up control, putting all our trust and assets in the exchange, trusting them to keep our coins safe and keep our private keys safe. What are custodial wallets? Custodial wallets are wallet services offered by a centralized business such as a cryptocurrency exchange. While a custodial wallet may be considered less secure than a non-custodial wallet, many still prefer them because they don't require as much responsibility and are usually more convenient to use. Losing your password to a non-custodial wallet could be devastatingly serious, as you may lose all your money. With a non-custodial wallet, you have sole control of your private keys, and in essence, you have control over your cryptocurrency. With a custodial wallet, a third party controls your private keys. Most custodial wallets these days are web-based exchange wallets, like those found in Binance, Gemini, Nexo, KuCoin, and so on. It is crucial that you use a reputable custodial wallet, such as those offered by major United States or Canadian crypto exchanges, where the majority of customer funds are held in cold storage hardware wallets and highly secure. However, as many may recall, governments have been known to prevent custodial wallets from completing transactions for citizens in certain countries, as observed during the recent Canadian truckers' protest. Therefore, we need to carefully consider all options before making our choices. As for the best custodial wallets to get started with, we recommend you seek out an altcoin wallet that can support multiple cryptos, as many as possible. Some of the popular examples of best custodial wallets are Binance, KuCoin, Gemini, Coinbase, Nexo, Blockchain.com, Crypto.com, BitBuy, and Kraken. Any of these wallets will be enough as you begin your crypto journey, but do consider moving towards a more secure non-custodial wallet as you grow. And that's it for this video. Remember, this is not financial advice. Crypto investing is highly risky, and you should do your own research. Please like this video and subscribe to this channel if you find the information useful. Until next time, keep learning.